How to log in into Bell email account online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can log in into Bell email account online. For that, you want to launch open any web browser. Then, you want to head over to webmail.bell.net. Once you land on this website, if you want to log into your account, you will have to enter some details over here. Start by entering your email address. Once you have entered that, go ahead and enter your password. Now, check the box that says I'm not a robot. If you want to stay logged in, you want to check the box that says keep me logged in. Now, click on the login option. If all of your details are correct, you will be successfully logged into your account. In case you have forgotten your email address, click on the email address option to retrieve it. If you have forgotten your password, click on the password option, and from there you will be able to reset your password. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.